Welcome to J&S Plumbing and Heating. We are Lincoln's highest rated plumbing and heating engineers. All our engineers are fully qualified to work with gas, oil, and LPG boilers. We have over 30 years of experience in the heating industry. We are a local, friendly, and reliable team. Every one of our engineers are happy to help our customers with any query they may have. Here at J&S Plumbing and Heating, we're highly rated by our wonderful customers on Checkatrade, Google, and Trustpilot. All the boilers we install are set up to maximize energy efficiency. They are also power flushed to offer maximum protection. Our friendly team will show you how to use your new boiler and its controls to maximize your energy efficiency savings. We can also offer boilers on finance, so you can spread the cost with monthly payment options. Our live, online booking system is open 24/7, meaning you can book your job in less than 10 minutes. Select the job you're looking to book, and then choose from a range of dates and times to suit your availability. We also have a free instant online quote tool on our website. Visit jas plumbingandheating.co.uk.